What's up, Dent coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, we are going to discuss the Dent coin. What's the current price of Dent coin? What's the price change occurring in the Dent coin? In this video, especially, we are going to discuss the previous falls of the Dent coin. You know what? A lot of people ask me questions about Dent coin price falls down. People ask me that the price of Dentcoin is falls down from the last 1 month, from the last 30 40 days, my friends. So when will the price rise up? When there is possibilities that the price start pumping, my friends. But don't worry, my friends, everything will be okay. You have to just subscribe, you have to just touch with the ABS Tech channel, my friends. Now this time the latest price of the Dent coin in the market is 0.001885 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Dent coin. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Dent coin is negative. Completely the price of Dent coin is falls down. Only the latest last 1 hour changes is positive, my friends. So my friends, you know what, don't lose hope and never lose hope, my friends. Always be positive, always, my friends. My friends, now in this critical situation, I know that now it's really a bad time of Dentcoin holders, but everything will be okay with the patience, with the wait. If you wait, absolutely Dentcoin have to take a pump. So they just need patience, my friends. Hold and wait for the pump after Dentcoin, my friends. Absolutely, my friends. They have to take a pump. And you know what? That is a common rule, that is a common procedure of cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump. After falls there is a jump. So I hope that they will take a pump and they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.